tear the night into 1,000 moons. A nickel plated scream beneath the moon. I cradle silence like a fragile bone. Then you crash in, loud, jagged, all alone.
I remember every broken tone. You private quiet, how you steal my home. Hold me under, drown me slow. I count the seconds till you go. But every time I learn your face, you brand the dark, you steal the space. You're the loud noise I hate the most. The static siren on my pulse, ripping cold like paper thin. You drag the storms back in. You're the loud noise I hate the most. A ruthless ghost, a roof-free smell. Turn the volume down, no, that's the lie. Your thunder strapped to the inside of my mind. Metallic taste, the city grinds. Hydraulic hearts and broken signs. A jackhammer rhythm in my teeth. You put a clause where peace should be. I trace the bruise of your refrain. A war drum pounding through my veins.
I try to breathe around your name. You twist the frame, you stoke the flame.
Every whisper turns to stone. You find the cracks where light had grown. You're the loud noise I hate the most. The static siren on my post, ripping cold like paper thin. You drag the storms back in. You're the loud noise I hate the most. Echoes locked behind the coast. Shout me out and call it fate, but I'm the one who's left to break. Yo, you think you're just noise, like some background hiss, but you're the guillotine tick that clipped my yesterday's wish. Every hiss is a witness, every beep is a snitch. You scream courtroom lights, make my quiet a glitch. See, I've been cataloging the triggers you bring. You ring like the capitalist bell on a broken wing. My sleep's a hostage, yeah, you bargain and sing propaganda in the static. You pull the pin on everything. I swore to bury you under crosswords watch tubes, but you're a satellite war with 1,000-volume boom. I built barricades from lullabies. You climb those rooms. I'll plug my bones and set my shadow to consume. So listen close. I'll name you, face you, lace you with truth. Rip your cord from the socket, retrograde your roof. Your wires and wine and a contract to revoke. I'm the verdict that snaps, and I ain't buying what you spook.
Silence cracks, a knife of hush. I hold my breath, I hold the rush. Then you say,
You're the loud noise I hate the most. The static siren on my post, ripping cold like paper thin. You drag the storms back in. You're the loud noise I hate the most. A ruthless ghost, a ruthless host. Turn the volume down, no, that's a lie. Your thunder strapped to the inside of my mind. Sometimes I think if I scream back, you'll learn to fade. But every fight with you leaves a darker shade. I wanna burn your echo, melt the rust you made. I wanna sleep in a room where quiet stays. You're the loud noise I hate the most. A name you not opposed to coast. I'll steal your fuel, I'll break your chain. I'll come a dawn out of the pain. You're the loud noise I hate the most. Once my captor, now small fierce silence, finally mine.